Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in Yes Business Tower located in Barsha 1. At 980 square foot, this unit is offered as a semi-furnished finish and is situated on a high floor. The office is finished to a good standard, well laid out with a mix of closed partitions, open workstations for employees, and is ready for use immediately with an attached private pantry and washroom. Visitor on-street parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.